Simplicity. It drives our evolution. We have always been curious about where the energy of the universe comes from. How is the pull of a black hole so massive? How can nuclear cores give us so much power? How can rocket fuel send us so far into the sky? Discovering the principles that govern the universe around us. Simplicity. It underlies complicated systems. People used to have gadgets for every purpose. Today, a single smartphone is all we need. Simplicity. It comes from revolutionary design. The costs involved in traditional logistics are cut thanks to smarter distribution with fewer steps to the customer. Simplicity. It transforms business models. Great things are deceptively simple. Transport networks among them. High-definition videos, video calls, and online games have led to an explosion of information. When it was simply voice calls and web pages, data transport was seamless. But with the booming user numbers and exploding bandwidth requirements of today's video era, multiple nodes process and forward hundreds of billions of bits. This journey accumulates minute delays into latency, causing service congestion and affecting user experience. Our solution is to redefine the complex nature of the network. We converge networks, we cut down on network layers. We take OTN to the edge. These steps towards simplification reduce latency and packet loss to zero, while ensuring dedicated bandwidth. We transmit to the CDN in a single hop. We now deliver real-time, all online, on-demand services. Our future is a simplified, intelligent network with zero latency, inspired by the sensory system that collects, transmits, and learns of information almost instantly.
What's driving that traffic growth? Well, it's primarily the video domain. We see a shift from Flow TV to on-demand services. We see a shift from standard definition TV to high definition TV and further on to 4K TV. And if we combine all these drivers, they can definitely sustain the traffic growth until we far beyond the year 2020.
That we have for capacity expectations, we can easily see that it will be a mixture of backhauling to simplify and to save money and simple point-to-point transport between some parts of the network.
The main requirements we had for a transport network to overcome the challenges of LTE were high capacity to support the bandwidth demanding services, high quality meaning low latency and high availability, efficiency to make good use of resources, flexibility and scalability to support future services and extensions.
And to achieve this, we are using 3 steps. We have the OTN, which gives us flexibility and grooming of traffic. We have the 40G and 100G readiness in the metro backhaul, and we are extending the fiber quota to 20% and also reaching the capacity to the site.
The concept of a simplified network, switched OTN combined with WDM architecture. Obviously, and this is not just in the core in the metro, but really driving that down all the way into the access network ultimately.
We try to make the network much more simple and reduce the network layer. And I do believe that kind of the solution could be the guarantee the customer experience.
Simplicity, the next stage of network evolution. Tomorrow's networks will be simple networks.